Tom recommends doing that. Tom recommends doing that. Tom won't enjoy doing that. Tom won't enjoy doing that. I know Tom is doing that. I know Tom is doing that. Tom might not be doing that. Tom might not be doing that. Tom ought to try doing that. Tom ought to try doing that. Tom might be doing that now. Tom might be doing that now. When will Tom be doing that? When will Tom be doing that? I hope Tom isn't doing that. I hope Tom isn't doing that. I don't like Tom doing that. I don't like Tom doing that. Tom used to love doing that. Tom used to love doing that. Tom used to like doing that. Tom used to like doing that. Tom used to hate doing that. Tom used to hate doing that. Tom said he kept doing that. Tom said he kept doing that. Tom is doing that very well. Tom is doing that very well. Tom has to start doing that. Tom has to start doing that. Tom got tired of doing that. Tom got tired of doing that. Tom could be doing that now. Tom could be doing that now. Doing that was hard for Tom. Doing that was hard for Tom. Why is Tom doing that today? Why is Tom doing that today? I know Tom loves doing that. I know Tom loves doing that. Tom is doing that, isn't he? Tom is doing that, isn't he? Tom also plans on doing that. Tom also plans on doing that. Tom plans on doing that, too. Tom plans on doing that, too. Tom will be doing that later. Tom will be doing that later. Tom plans on doing that soon. Tom plans on doing that soon. Tom said he liked doing that. Tom said he liked doing that. Tom said he likes doing that. Tom said he likes doing that. Tom said he'd try doing that. Tom said he'd try doing that. Tom says he likes doing that. Tom says he likes doing that. Will Tom be doing that again? Will Tom be doing that again? I scolded Tom for doing that. I scolded Tom for doing that. I hope Tom enjoys doing that. I hope Tom enjoys doing that. Tom was fired for doing that. Tom was fired for doing that. Tom used to enjoy doing that. Tom used to enjoy doing that. Tom should be doing that now. Tom should be doing that now. Tom seems to like doing that. Tom seems to like doing that. Tom isn't good at doing that. Tom isn't good at doing that. Tom got fired for doing that. Tom got fired for doing that. Tom got fined for doing that. Tom got fined for doing that. Tom was doing that for hours. Tom was doing that for hours. Why does Tom like doing that? Why does Tom like doing that? Tom spent all day doing that. Tom spent all day doing that. Tom isn't used to doing that. Tom isn't used to doing that. Why's Tom not doing that now? Why's Tom not doing that now? Has Tom been doing that long? Has Tom been doing that long? Tom plans on doing that alone. Tom plans on doing that alone. Tom may be through doing that. Tom may be through doing that. Tom had no trouble doing that. Tom had no trouble doing that. Tom has no trouble doing that. Tom has no trouble doing that. Perhaps Tom is doing that now. Perhaps Tom is doing that now.